just spent 20 minutes fixing a problem that you didn't even charge for. You did it because you have integrity. You did it because it was the right thing to do. And guess what? The customer thinks that you ripped them off. The problem isn't your work. The problem is that you kept your mouth shut. You are suffering from the silent technician curse, and it's the fastest way to get a 1-star review from a 5-star job. Picture this, you're out back at the condenser, and you notice that the suction line insulation's all worn away. You don't call the homeowner, you just grab some Armaflex off the truck, you tape it up, and you make it look brand new. You go inside, you hand them a bill for $300, and then you hightail it out of there to the next call. But here's the problem. The customer, they didn't see you out back sweating, working on their condenser. They didn't see you fixing the insulation for free. All they saw was a $300 bill sitting on their counter for 15 minutes of work. In their mind, you are expensive. You just lost the benefit of the doubt because you didn't explain the value. Now, before you think that I'm just preaching at you, I need to be honest. I suck at this too. Lately, I've been failing my own clients in this exact same way. I'm a tech at heart, just like you. I get in the zone. I'm up at 2 a.m. digging into the back end of a client's website. I'm fixing broken schema code. I'm optimizing image compression. I'm tweaking the Google Business Profile categories to get them an extra 5% visibility. I'm busting my ass to make sure that they win. But you know what I've been doing? I've been staying silent. I've been working in the shadows. I never tell them, hey, I just spent 3 hours last night manually fixing your site structure so that Google can treat you better. And because I didn't tell them, it just didn't happen. They just see the monthly invoice. They don't feel the hustle. Lately, I've realized that I've been doing a horrible job at this. And it's honestly, it's hurting my relationships. I have not been giving my clients the confidence to know that I'm actually out here fighting for them. If I fix a major SEO error, but I'd never tell the client, I provided 0 perceived value. If you re-insulate a suction line, but you don't tell the homeowner, you provided $0 in perceived value. We have to close that gap. We have to stop expecting people to be mind readers. So here's the fix, and it's what I am starting to do, and it's what you need to do on every service call. I was actually pretty good at this as a tech, but then again, I'm in their home and I saw them, so it was much easier for me to broach the subject. Tell them what you found. Hey, Mrs. Joan, I saw that your insulation was rotting. Let them know that you fixed it for free. I went ahead and replaced it for you at no charge. It just helps to make sure that your system is operating at maximum efficiency. We both know it's not a huge deal. Of course it's not, other than unless, it sweats onto something or we have an extremely long run in abnormal temperatures. It's really not a huge deal. But it does make it look better, and you did go above and beyond for the customer. So you should, in fact, let them know. And what I honestly recommend doing is every single thing that you give to the customer for free, put it on the invoice. Just zero out the cost. Put the actual cost that your business would charge. You throw them a filter here, you throw them a filter there. Put on there that this is normally a $20 filter, but I'm going to waive this fee today. You go over there and you clear out a drain because that happened to be the reason why the system was messing up, and you end up signing them up for a maintenance or something like that. Put on there, we normally charge $95 for this. I'm going to zero this out because I changed the capacitor or something, whatever it is, make sure it's on there. Make sure that if you're giving them free stuff, that they know that you just saved them a bunch of money, because then they're going to actually be grateful for getting the bill. When you communicate the small things, you're earning trust for the big things. That's how you turn a bill into a thank you and a 5-star review. I'm committing to being louder about the work that I'm doing for my clients so that hopefully they know that I'm in their corner. And if you want to watch me figure this business thing out right alongside you, let's get to work. I hope you like the content. I hope that you're a subscriber. We have some amazing things in plans, and we're going to have some featured guests coming on starting into this new year. Make sure that you subscribe. We have big things coming for 2026. We're right here on YouTube every Saturday, 9 a.m. Central. We'll see you there.